Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create system backups using recovery tools in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to go to your search bar and search for Control Panel. Now click on Control Panel. Now go to Backup and Restore. Here you can see Create a System Image. Click on it. Now select your external copyright. Then click on Next. Again Next. Here you can see Start Backup. You have to click on it. So this is how you can create system backups using recovery tools in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.